In this section, Business Momentum, Radical Momentum Maneuvers, we explore a couple of management maneuvers, reinventing the company and restarting the company, that are designed to turn around a failing startup or kickstart a startup that's stalled and has generating no momentum in the marketplace. These are really momentum maneuvers because they essentially breathe new life and get startups moving in the right direction. So we cover these two. They're really rather different. There's reinventing the company. This is sometimes considered a pivot where the company changes its direction, changes its product line. We go step by step through the process of reinventing the company. And then we look at the restart. The restart, if you were a PC user, you may sometimes your PC just gets clogged up and slows down, and you do Control-Alt-Delete, reboot, and you reboot your startup, and it comes back fresh with more resources allocated to the things that you want to do. So reinventing the company, restarting the company, they're pretty advanced management maneuvers, but these are commonly adopted in Silicon Valley. These are two maneuvers that we cover in this section.